Of egg salted pasta, then garlic bread recipe. So here are our main ingredients, guys. So here our salted egg, of course, but we just need the yolk. It's about 4 to 5. It's 4 to 5 salted egg. Then we're gonna need some cooked pasta. Others use fettuccine, but I don't have one as of the moment, so I just use the regular pasta. But it's okay, no problem with that. Then I have mushroom, so why not? Then some black pepper, onion and garlic, all-purpose cream. The chili flakes, it's really optional. If you like spicy, then go. Then for our garlic bread recipe, oh, I forgot the sweet ham. I just figured it out that it will balance out the flavor between the salted egg and in this sweet ham. So I just want to add some bite to our pasta. If you don't have one, it's fine. For our garlic bread recipe, we only need some minced garlic, chopped parsley, then some butter. This half I will use it for the pasta. This is Kewpie mayo. So if you don't like Kewpie mayo, you can use any mayonnaise that you would want to use. It's totally fine. Me, I just opted to use this because I think it's healthy. We're going to mash first our salted. yung gamitin. Kung ano yung available nyo. Actually, pwede rin pandesal eh. Kung anong available nyo. Or loaf, tasty loaf is fine. Mahalaga naman yung palaman. Tapos natin to guys, siguro mga 2 minutes pwede na siya. Huwag lang natin masyadong sunugin. So that's it. Toast na natin. So guys, we're going to toast our bread. Pwede na yung 2 to 3 minutes. It depends on you kung gaano ka-toast yung gusto nyo. For me, okay na yung 3 minutes. Para, ayan. Para meron tayong ka-partners. This is our final product for our garlic bread recipe. Diba? Parang kumain na rin tayo sa labas, guys. Ayan yung toast natin, garlic bread. Looks so good, right? And titikman natin yung ating salted egg pasta. For our salted egg pasta, you can just add some Parmesan cheese on top. Pero sa akin okay na yun kasi nalagyan ko na kanina sa pan. So okay na sa akin yun. So let's first bite para sa inyo. It's really good kasi meron siyang alat, tapos meron siyang tamis, tapos nilagyan ko ng mushroom, diba? So it added sa ating flavors. Of course, sa texture, ayan. Look at that. Sarap. Really good. Try natin yung ating garlic bread. Homemade. Oh my God, sarap. Ang sarap nung nung nilagyan ko ng konting Kewpie Mayonnaise, so perfect blend. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood nyo. Sana i-try nyo rin to para